PivotWorks is the original, fast, easy, and complete solution when it comes to rebuilding a dirt bike or ATV chassis or suspension. Today we're looking at PivotWorks fork seal kits and their complete fork rebuild kits. PivotWorks fork seal kits include a pair of oil seals and a pair of dust wiper seals to complete the repair of leaking fork seals in both fork legs of your motorcycle. PivotWorks spent an extensive amount of time developing their fork seals to be just as good as the OEM seals by implementing micro wipers into the oil seal design, replicating the exact OEM rubber compound, and then testing them extensively on their in-house fork dyno. PivotWorks fork seals will keep your fork oil where it's meant to be, in the forks. Now we'll show you the PivotWorks fork rebuild kits, which are the only complete fork rebuild kits on the market. These kits include every wearable and replaceable item in one package. All PivotWorks components meet or exceed the quality of the OEM parts they replace at a fraction of the cost. With regular use, oil inside your forks begins to deteriorate, and wear begins on the internal components inside your forks. Considering your forks are working over every bump and jump you ride across, that's a lot of use in a short amount of time. And eventually, these parts will need to be replaced. PivotWorks fork rebuild kits include everything you need to rebuild both your forks and restore that plush suspension action. Each kit includes 2 fork seals, 2 dust seals, 2 sets of inner and outer Teflon bushings, any Teflon bushings for internal pistons, the wear rings that go on the outside of the outer fork tubes, and any O-rings that may be necessary for your application, including the bleeder screw and the end cap O-rings. Save some time and money and get yourself a PivotWorks forks rebuild kit for less than half of what the OEMs charge. Plus, with an industry-first lifetime replacement program on all products, PivotWorks has you covered for life. That's right. If you're the original owner and your PivotWorks kit has expired as a result of ordinary wear and tear, you're covered with a free replacement. It's that simple.